Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get white petals in Hytale step by step. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. All you have to do is walk up towards until you see a white daisy. Now, the last thing you want to do is to press F. Do not press F to pick it up or equip it. What you have to do is to use a hatchet. Now, if you don't have a hatchet, all you have to do is to click on tab. And as you can see in your inventory, you can create a hatchet. To create a crude hatchet, all you have to do is to get any ruble, so stone rubles that you can find anywhere, plant fibers by just cutting down any bushes, and sticks by collecting them from either bushes or cutting down trees. And you will create a hatchet. And then all you have to do is to walk up to it and then press with the hatchet, attack it. And as you can see, now if you walk up to it, now we have white petals. And that is it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.